Hey guys, in this video I'm going to explain to you how you can change your Xfinity plan. Really easy and simple. So what you need to do is go to your Xfinity mobile account, go there online, go to activity, click on my data, select whichever line you want to change that plan for, then scroll down to data options and select, for example, switch to unlimited, press continue, click switch now. And if you're changing from by the gig to unlimited, what you can do is of course use the Xfinity app, sign in using your primary user's Xfinity ID and password, click on the services tab, then select the mobile lines and data usage, which will be located within the mobile services. Select whichever line you want to change this for, scroll down to data management, and then you want to select switch to unlimited, and then just follow the on-screen instructions to upgrade your service, and they may require you to sign in again. Really that easy and simple, guys. You can do this online through their website right here or in their app. So I hope this guide provided value to you. If it did, guys, consider smashing the like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.